In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more credits on Emergent AI. If you use Emergent AI regularly, understanding how credits work can help you get more value from the platform and avoid running out right when you need it. We'll walk through the main ways to access additional credits, from the built-in free allocation to referral rewards and upgrade options. To get started, head over to Emergent AI and sign into your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be able to check your available usage and explore the options tied to your account. This is the main place where you'll manage credits and access any account-related perks. If you're on the free tier, the first thing to know is that you already receive 10 complimentary credits every month. These reset monthly, which means even if you don't purchase a plan, you still get a fresh batch of credits on a recurring basis. That makes the free plan a good starting point for testing features, experimenting with smaller builds, or getting familiar with the platform before committing to anything paid. Another useful way to get more credits is through the referral system. Near your profile, look for the gift icon. When you click it, you'll find your unique invitation link. This is the link you can share with friends, teammates, or anyone else interested in trying Emergent AI. When someone signs up using your link, they receive 5 bonus credits, which makes it more appealing for them to join through your referral. The bigger reward comes when that referred user purchases their first subscription. As soon as that happens, you earn 50 bonus credits. So if you know people who are likely to become active users, sharing your invitation link can be one of the most effective ways to build up your credit balance over time. You should also keep an eye out for promotional partnerships and influencer codes. These can sometimes unlock discounts or bonus credits when upgrading your account. If you come across an active promo code through official promotions, creator partnerships, or campaign announcements, it may help you reduce upgrade costs or increase the value you get from a paid plan. Finally, if you've used up your free credits and need more consistent capacity, especially for larger MVPs or full stack web applications, upgrading to a paid tier may be the best option. Paid plans are designed for heavier usage and are a practical choice if you're building more often or working on more demanding projects. That's how to get more credits on Emergent AI, using free monthly credits, referrals, promotions, and paid upgrades depending on your needs.